Hola. Good morning guys, welcome to Siam Park. Woo! I've not properly started the vlog off yet. My hair is literally like a bomb from being on all the slides. But we're at Siam Park in Tenerife. Yay! So much fun, we're having such a great time. We're currently just at the restaurant bit at the beach. We've had some food, it was so good, and now we're just about to get some ice cream and stuff. It's like 3 o'clock now, it's just me just got my phone back. So that's why I've not been talking. I've only had to vlog on my GoPro. So we're just going to get some ice cream and stuff, and then we're going to head back on the slides for another 3 hours or so. So yeah. Thank you.
Here's your chips. Yeah, get one of these. These ones are called folders.
Morning everybody, welcome to today. It's currently Thursday. We're currently at the beach and where are we? Going to that island. So we're currently sitting on the sea with Cara's pink flamingo. Show us it, ma'am.
She's waving.
Wave, Cara. Go back. It's actually quite a cloudy day, but it's so hot, so it's quite nice, and the sea's just beautiful. And the waves are so much fun. So we're just sitting on Cara's flamingo in the sea, and it's so much fun. It's so good. So today is actually our second last day, which is so sad. So I'm just going to try and make the most of it and just vlog today, just to continue on the vlog, because yesterday I did not vlog so much at Siam Park. All I really had was my GoPro. My phone was literally in locker the whole time, so I couldn't really vlog. So I was like, it's a shame. And we're currently cruising on a flamingo, and we're going to head over to that island all the way over there. So it's going to be so much fun. I've literally not vlogged a single bit today, but we're currently just chilling in the room. We literally just had a beach day today. It's not been the best day ever because it's been quite cold and it's quite rainy. Earlier I said it was roasting because it actually was so hot earlier, when we were in this sea and stuff. And then 30 minutes later it got really cold and just so cloudy, and it rained for a tiny little bit, 5 minutes or something. So we just came back to the hotel. Me and Cara just been chilling there for a bit. Say hey ho! We've just been chilling there for a little bit, watching YouTube and stuff, and Mum and Dad are out in the balcony listening to some music. You probably can hear it because it's a bit of a racket. And then we're going to get ready in a little bit. It's 5ish, and then we're going to get ready to go out for dinner. Tonight's our last night, which is so sad. So we need to make the most of tonight for dinner and stuff. So we're going to an Italian restaurant that we've actually been to before, which was really good, so we're going back there tonight. Cara really enjoyed it and stuff, so we're going mainly back for her. So that's what our plans are for tonight, and I think we're maybe going to go to the Hard Rock Cafe later on for some drinks and stuff because it looks really nice. So that's kind of our plans. I need to get ready and stuff and that. Look how nice and calm it is. It's so nice. It's actually so hot again, it's just brightened up all of a sudden, and I'm actually really regretting that we never went back in the pool, because chilling in the room is probably not the best thing, but I actually really wish I went back in the pool because it's so nice just now.